happening, guys? Jet here, and we finally made it to SEMA 2024. It's been an amazing journey, but check it out. JetBlue is in the retro manufacturing booth. A lot of collaborations here. I mean, thanks so much to my retro friends. Trey Fight did the install. Barn Speed and Metal in LA started the whole deal with the engine and the transmission. But man, I can't wait to listen to this thing. I haven't done it yet. This is my first time listening to it, and we're gonna tell you all about the amazing package that Retro put in JetBlue. Wow. You don't realize just how much work and how many pieces of Retro is actually in here. What I really love about the Retro radio is it looks like a stock head unit. But you know what? Now I've got Bluetooth, now I've got satellite, now I've got HD radio all in here. But you know what? I don't want people to know, because I really want to keep the integrity of what JetBlue is. And then moving from the head unit, we've got speakers galore in here. So we've got speakers in the kick panels. What you don't see are the speakers also behind the seat. So we've got two boxes back there, plus the subwoofer underneath, and all of this is completely seamless. What I really wanted, because I'm going to drive this truck a lot, is, you know what, pick up, school, drop off, kids practices. I'm going to be driving this truck all over LA, and I want to be able to have the best sound, but also have all that connectivity of any modern car. This is gonna be the first song I play in JetBlue with my Retro system. Don't judge me for my music, okay, guys? It's not Taylor Swift, that's my daughter, I swear. It's gotta be Talladega, obviously. That sounds awesome. That is incredible. The high highs, the crispy really highs. We've got really great sound through the entire spectrum. Those mids are there in the door, the subwoofer kicks. I've got actually two sets of speakers, all totally hidden away. Dude, I am crazy blown away. RetroSound, I don't know how you guys do this, and I haven't even played with the HD radio, and I haven't even played with satellite yet. Dude, this is so kick-ass, amazing.